What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how we can reach level 100 in Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 1 and 2 with a PS remote play macro. So you can leave this overnight and you can wake up next morning and have achieved the level 100 trophy and hopefully get your platinum as well. So once you've downloaded all of the linked files, we need to extract PS Remote 5.5. We extract it here and then open up the folder, scroll all the way down and select the PS Remote Play application, start it up, give it a few minutes for it to start up. Can be quite slow in the start. Now we're going to set up our PS5, so we select this option. It will ask you if you want to update PS Remote Play. We don't want to do that, so we're going to click no. For this to work, we need a specific version of Remote Play. So we click no, and then we click OK. And then we're going to select our console, which is the PS5. We click on the PS5 icon. Before continuing, it's recommended, well, it's not recommended, you should have remote play enabled, otherwise it's not going to work. So you need to go to settings, systems, remote play, and enable remote play. Once that's done, we need to link our PS5. So go to settings, system, remote play, link device, and it's going to give you a code. Grab that code and enter it here, and then link it. Alright, so this step is optional. If you don't have a PS4 controller, we're going to have to set up a PS5 controller to act like a PS4 controller. So connect your PS5 controller and you should see it popping up in DS4 windows. And we're going to click edit, and then we're going to change this gamepad from, change it to DualShock 4 and then apply it. And we're just going to name, save this profile under DualShock 4. And we just click save and we are good to go. Okay, in the game now, we need to have a few settings before we can continue this. Make sure you have your custom character selected, and then go into the tricks setting for your custom character. Make sure you have the 900 selected as a special trick, and it's set to the down, up, circle button mapping, and then also have the 360 varial mech twist enabled, and this needs to be mapped to the up, down, circle button mapping. You need to make sure you have both of these enabled, otherwise the macro is not going to work. Alright, we need a starting point before we can enable the macro. Let's go into Philadelphia. And we're going to hit start and go to game options, game mods, and make sure you have all of these game mods enabled. So perfect rail balance, manual balance, lip balance, always special, no bells, and double space score. They need to be activated. We're going to go ahead and end this run. And then we're going to keep it at retry level before doing anything. So put down your controller. We're going to go back to our PC. Alright, back up on the PC. We should see the screen left at retry level, so don't do anything else there. Let's go back to our downloaded files, and we're going to extract the PS4 macro zip file, and it's going to produce a PS4 macro application or exe. We're going to double click on that, and it's going to open up this little application. Let's put it right next to our PS Remote Play application, and then we're going to go to File, Open, and open this 300xp loop THPS file, which I also provided. And it's successfully loaded because it's loaded up all these frames. It says 0 out of 5,529. So once you're ready, you just press play and it starts. It works magically. And you can leave this and it will continue to loop this until you get the maximum score, which is like 1,000,000, and you end up with like the maximum possible XP you can get.